Have you ever wondered about the depth of the Prophet's, peace be upon him, love for us? Imagine this. Before we even existed, he, peace be upon him, already missed us. It wasn't just a fleeting thought. It was a profound sense of compassion. He, peace be upon him, wept for his ummah. When he, peace be upon him, looked over us, it was with pure love and concern, knowing the struggles we would face. Every tear he, peace be upon him, shed was a testament to his deep connection with us, even across the ages. It's incredible to think that such a beloved figure, peace be upon him, dedicated his life to us. And you know what? You have the power to connect back with that love. Reciprocate it with salawat. Invoke blessings upon him regularly and sincerely. So, let's continue to spread his love and teachings in our lives and community. Remember, every time you send salawat upon him, peace be upon him, you're honoring a bond that was established before you were even born. Let's cherish that connection.